I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a pleated lehenga. First, gather your essential tools: a steam iron, a sturdy ironing board, and a clean pressing cloth. Always check the lehenga's care label for fabric-specific instructions, especially regarding temperature settings. Lay your lehenga flat on the board, ensuring it is completely smooth before you begin. This preparation step is crucial for achieving a perfectly crisp finish. Now let's tackle those beautiful pleats. Set your steam iron to a low or medium heat, depending on the fabric. Work on one pleat at a time, carefully aligning it before pressing. Place a pressing cloth over the pleat to shield delicate materials from direct heat and prevent scorching. Press firmly from the top of the pleat down to the hem, ensuring each fold is crisp and defined. This method helps maintain the lehenga's elegant structure. To achieve extra sharp pleats, consider using small clips or pins to hold each fold perfectly in place as you iron. A light mist of distilled water or a fabric-appropriate starch spray can also enhance crispness and help the pleats hold their shape longer. After ironing a section, allow it to cool completely on the board before moving it. This cooling process sets the pleat, preventing new wrinkles from forming and ensuring a lasting, polished look. Once your lehenga is perfectly ironed, the final steps are key for maintaining its pristine condition. Immediately hang it on a padded hanger to prevent any new creases from forming. Store your beautiful lehenga in a breathable garment bag to protect the fabric from dust and environmental factors. To preserve the integrity of those crisp pleats, always avoid folding the lehenga. Following these steps will keep your lehenga looking flawless for your next special occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.